Nice shot, buddy.
I've wanted one like this for so long.
Opening day, Pennsylvania turkey season, finally here. It's about 4 o'clock. We are packing up all this gear. I think we got every piece of clothing out we own. And we're heading out to the spot we roosted 4 birds last night. I'm gonna go see if I can round up our hunter. Oh, hi, Sonny. Sorry, bud, you can't come with us. Sounds like hair time, maybe?
Yeah.
You gonna be ready before daylight? Hey.
I'm gonna be ready.
No, you can't come. We already said you're not allowed to come today.
Before 5.
You're gonna be ready?
Before 4:30.
Okay. Alright, I was told we're gonna leave on time. We got 12 minutes and train's leaving. The key to turkey hunting is take a lot of snacks, because as soon as you take a whole pack full of snacks, you always shoot something really early and then those end up in your vest till the end of the season. So it's a good move to just pack heavy. Man, good stuff is happening this morning for the first time in probably the history of the universe. Allison was ready on time, exactly when I told her. We got her coffee, we got her hair done up nice, looking pretty.
For the turkeys.
I believe the phrase was, I gotta look good for when these turkeys come out, so I don't know what that means, but we're heading to pick up Dad and be after it. We got 3 or 4 Longbeards roosted in a little skinny piece of timber, and we're hoping they come out today and decide to peck around this plowed field we're going to be sitting along. So we'll check back with you when it's a little bit lighter out. Well, we just got finished setting up in the blind here. We roosted these birds last night. They should be about less than 100 yards from us here, so it's still raining a good bit, so we're just hoping they come out into this field here and strut around a little bit this morning. We're just pretty much planning on sitting here waiting them out. They've been in this field every day this week, so. There's another one right here. That's one's ran. Yep. They're all there. Are they all gone? I don't know. I can see them all coming back out. There's probably that guy that was up there last night. Was that them? That was him up there. That end was over there. I'll be down. We got till noon. He's looking down here hard with his freaking big white head. See him, honey? That might be enough to bring the other one down. Just watch how they act, honey. This is what it'll be like hopefully later. sounded when he gobbled. There was someone outside of the field. Yeah. They're right on the driveway. It sounded like. Just watch those birds, honey. There's 2 more up top. Yeah. See him, Dad?
3. 3. Up top. Are they all hens?
Looks like it.
That one's right there.
They're just puffed up from being wet.
Yeah, they're coming this way because I see the jigs, except the one might be wandering over. Shit.
Well, that's because all the other ones are there. Oh, that's why they're right in the woods there. Yeah. But they're coming. Are you filming now? I can't see them yet. What? I can see the jakes, that's it.
No, you can see them.
I'm telling you, I can't. I got this window right. Oh, okay. Never mind. I say they're in range now. Yeah, well, I can't believe those other ones haven't popped out. If they get out to where those jakes are, then we can kill them there. Just remember, honey, breathe slow and steady. If they get to where them jakes are, how far is that? 35. I don't even know if it's that. Okay, they're within 40 yards right now. Yeah, just let them come.
Yeah, they're all Longbeards.
Yeah. That's what I don't want to happen. Let her shoot one. Slowly get your gun up, honey. Pick one down and shoot it. Far right one.
Far right.
Yeah. Call, Dad, call. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice shot, honey. Give me. That turned into a complete and utter disaster, like many times it does. All right, so what we had happen there is what we didn't want, but we made it work. The Longbeards came in, and of course right behind the window where I couldn't film them. It's been pouring down rain all morning here, but we were sitting in a blind, and the jakes came right in, of course, but the Longbeards did not. So they started to skirt us, and we decided we had to get Allison a shot at her first Longbeard, and we made it happen. We even got a bonus when their dad was able to get a shot off. Well, we didn't work out completely like we wanted.
I think it did.
For these two it did. We got typical ground blind problems. They come right in the blind spot of it, so I didn't get much footage. Maybe the Tacticam caught it, but 3 Longbeards strutted right down that old road there from the top. We thought they were roosted here, but apparently last night they must have pulled a audible on us and went up the mountain, so took a little bit longer, but still early, and we're gonna get out of here with these birds. It's Allison's first Longbeard, so made a heck of a shot on them at 40 yards.
Yeah, it's a lot heavier than my Jake last year.
Yeah. We had those couple Jakes come right in, and we thought the Longbeards would follow, but they sort of got a little unsure of the decoys or something there at the end, so we decided to, you know,
They were gonna head into the woods.
they were headed towards, there was other birds gobbling up in the woods there, so I think they were headed into there. They wanted to fight the big boys, I guess. So
Maybe that hen that was over there.
we decided to get Allison spun around, and her and Dad doubled. This is like deja vu. The last time we hunted here together, I think we doubled on my birthday. So that was about the same thing. We had 3 Longbeards come in that day. Been a lot of birds killed on this side of this fence here. Geesh, right here at this spot, I can think of about probably pushing 10 now. All right, now I got 2 camera guys. I don't know what to do with this. This never happens.
Must be running 2 of them.
Somehow I feel like I'm still gonna be filming myself here at the end of this, but